Welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning greater than, lesser than. You know, when alligator is hungry, it will go to eat the big number. It's don't like the small number. Let's start. Oh, my alligator is hungry. It is going to eat the big number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a small number. Why? Alligators don't like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My alligators like it. I'm going to eat it. My alligator is eating bigger number. Ouch! Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Which is the bigger number? Help me, friends. 1, 2, 3. This is not the bigger number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the bigger number. Ouch! Now we are playing with chocolate. But in last I will make one joke. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count the bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is eating the bigger one. 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the bigger one. So my alligator is eating this bigger one. But the real alligator is really. Fun math, subscribe to my channel. Like